channel. You guys, OMG, I'm so excited, guys. So today, well yesterday, my sister just got the keys to her new apartment, and today is my first time seeing it. She moved in today as well. So excited. So today what she's about to do before she move in, she's gonna go over there and bleach and clean up the apartment, because I don't know about y'all, but anytime we move into like a house or apartment, before we move our stuff in, even though it's supposed to be clean, a lot of the times, and I don't know about y'all, but a lot of times in our city, they tell you it's clean, sometimes it don't be. Now hers, she said it was clean, but we're gonna still just, just in case with the corona going around and stuff, we just gotta clean up, make sure everything's clean and bleached down. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I'm gonna actually look at it before she do all that. So I'm just so excited. So yeah, you guys, anyways, so I'm about to get ready to go. For today's makeup look, well, it's really not a makeup look, just put a little primer on my eyes. I don't really like, I don't know, but today's like kind of really a no makeup look day. All I did was put a little bit of primer because my eyelids were really oily this morning. So basically I put a little bit of primer, put a little bit of mascara, and lip balm and lip gloss. That's pretty much it for my makeup look. Okay, simple, honey, simple. Anyways, so I'm so excited, yay! So right now, I'm wearing these cute little shades. These are like the really big ones, the Fergie Trace. I don't know why, I just love like big oversized shades. How they look on me? They look cute. I think they're so cute and so trendy. I'm gonna get some more offline. These are like kind of cute. I don't know. I don't know if I really like them because I never really wore them. I wore them one time, but don't know if I like them that much. I don't know. We'll see. But trying to see what else I need to get or do before I go. I don't know, it's kind of weird, guys, because honestly, y'all want to be real? Y'all want to be real? Y'all want me to be real? I haven't left the house since about 6 weeks. About 6 weeks. About 6 weeks. So it's been a minute. I'm kind of scared because I don't have like the right mask. I got a mask, but it's like the homemade ones, and it really doesn't really cover up my face. Like it covers it up, but like the little holes on the sides of it don't really. I don't know. But we're gonna buy some offline, and my grandma also gonna give us some as well. So hopefully we can just get a mask that actually works. Cause I don't want corona. I don't want her. She needs to stay where she at. I don't want corona. Let me stop playing, because like I'm tired of looking on social media and like seeing these sad posts and seeing people die from it. It's just like I already know, like I feel like my body is not gonna be able to take that, cause pneumonia, honey. When I had pneumonia in December, boo. Ooh, let me tell y'all something. That wasn't even a joke. Like when I had pneumonia in December, when y'all saw me in that hospital bed in December, and I was like somewhat vlogging, and I couldn't finish Vlogmas. Let me tell y'all something. There's a whole story time behind it, and I haven't even got to it yet. But there's a whole story time behind what really happened. And let me tell y'all something. I was scared for my life. Like I was like so scared. Like I was so scared for my life. Like the first day and a half, I couldn't even freaking talk. Like the nurses and my mom was like talking to me. I couldn't even say this back. I kept passing out left, right. Like it was, honey, I kept throwing up. It was just a lot. That was a lot, okay? And I felt just good enough to vlog for you guys that day. But really, it was terrible. You know what's funny is I made it out. That's what's funny to me, because like there's some people who can die from pneumonia, and luckily my doctor, it's not even funny, I don't know why I said it's funny, but luckily my doctor said, honestly, if I would have never went to the hospital, who knows what could happen to me. Like, so that's not funny. I don't know why I said that, but yeah, I know that's a whole story time. But yeah, that will be on my main channel probably one day, who knows.
No, that baby red, we're not working good.
Just moving her stuff out now.
My name is milk.
Say hey. is my sister's new apartment. Got a little kitchen area, back door area, the table area. Living room, really nice, big, spacious living room. Got, I don't know what this is, closet. Come on, y'all. Wait, somebody gotta help Israel up. Hold on. Stop at the front of the stairs. So, right now we're finna go up the stairs. Stop at the front of the stairs. Okay, stop at the front of the stairs. They didn't stop at the front of the stairs like always. They don't want to do it as they told. Don't touch nothing. This is the bathroom. Oh, we gotta step up. Bathtub. Okay. Then we got the rooms. First room. Nice. Second room. Nice little room. And we got the last room. Alright, we gotta go back down the steps.
Yeah.
Come on.
I love these rooms.
Yeah, one of them gonna be y'all's.
Yeah, that was mine right there.
Okay, go back down the steps and you push Israel back over there. I'm finna get him. Okay, man, I'm finna get you out the chair. Y'all, these steps, boy. They gonna get me. A lot of steps, boy.
We got about 1, 2. Okay, I can't count.
You will. You can. Move, let me get him.
Listen, I see nothing to go. I better go to the bathroom.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. I just wanna be the man my dad never was. Hear my music, it's all soul. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the po-po. They don't like my style, no, no, no. I don't really give a damn.
Be careful.
Got to go to the bathroom first?
Yeah.
Y'all want to close the bathroom though?
No, we didn't. Stay right when you get up to the top of the stairs. Stop and don't look.
Okay, I promise.
Close your eyes. You already about looking.
I don't even know what the bathroom look like.
Stay right there. Let me shut the door. Uh-oh. Alright, we ain't gonna shut the door. Alright, you ready? Surprise!
I'm sorry that you missed out. You were a rapper now, huh? He a copy. Look at me, then look at his style. Book of history, I've been in now. You see up on my social that I'm in town. And it ain't coincidental that I see every time you've been rolling through the spot that you inbound. Listen how this pen sound. I've been zoning through the city, man, it's LA life.
It's your room by yourself. Oh, wow. This is your room by yourself. You the big girl, so you get a room by yourself. You like it? Come look. You like your room? So let's see now your room. Let's see now your room. Come on. She's just standing there. In Israel. Okay, so right. That's mommy's. Right here. Look, Naya room. In Israel room.
I might begin making a feature a rack. Cause when I hit your beat, I turn shit to Iraq. Dropping bombs like I'm cursing you out. This your house, then I'm kicking you out. Quiet as a mouse, came in the game, now the word is out that I've been lighting the flame. Shit is potent, don't you know it? I've been flowing, steady growing till they know the name. Saw it ahead of time, knew that I'd get to my losing myself in the view to some window pain. I swear I'm all about peace, I'm a positive person. wasn't always like that. You know it took me some learning. They asked me how I push a positive light, how I keep my composure.
The towels and the soap and stuff like that.
It's clothes, yeah. This album the name here when we got here.
No, your mom put it in there. Miss Lavender? I don't see her anywhere. There she is. Home, I'm gonna end this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. So that's my sister's apartment. I don't know how much of the footage I'm gonna show because I got a lot of footage, but I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the little house tour, well, apartment tour. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.